Hello, today I'm going to show you how to check what size Apple Watch do you have. So, today we have the Apple Watch SE first gen, and no matter what Apple Watch do you have, this is going to be the same on the all Apple Watches. So, if you don't want to know what size Apple Watch do you have, you need to just flip it over. And as you can see right now, we have the informations about what model this is it and what size the Apple Watch is by itself. The SE comes the second gen now with the 40mm and 44mm, so the number here is going to change. And as you can see, there are another informations that this is the aluminum case, the ION-X glass, and this is the GPS version, so without the cellular, and how many water resistant meters, how much meters we can dive with this Apple Watch. And also on the band we have the information what size the band also is. So this is the 41mm band, and the length of the band is S divided by M. So this is it. This is how you get to know what size of the Apple Watch do you have. So thanks for watching. I hope it helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit a like. Bye.